Okay, guys, today I'm trying to solve the same problem that I've already solved in Java and TypeScript. So the actual problem is to some it's a pretty much simple question. But I'll just quickly go through this. This is target. So what you have to achieve is let's go through a real life scenario. There you have writing. You're creating an e-commerce website. Okay, you're creating an e-commerce website here, and you take a pen, you create a e-commerce website, and there is discount. Okay, you get a discount if you purchase to 50%. Okay, $50. Okay, so you got to suggest a few items to people. So how do you do that? You use two sum. I'm not actually want you to use this because this might be a not exactly a real life scenario, but it could be, right? You need to suggest two items, and which comes to 20, and you can use 248 or some sort of that. So maybe your boss decides these are the items that you have, and for each person you might have to come up with particular uh, discount prices based on their uh, purchasing history. So this guy has 50, this other guy has might have 60. So 60, and these are the items they can these are the items that are allowed in the from the shop. So for the 60 you find the two sum. It's pretty much I thought about it, right? This is a good use case for a real life scenario. So basically, same as this. Let's say this is the $9 and 27 you get the discount. Okay, it's pretty much good. So as I you get the gist of what we are going to do. So I have already solved this problem. You can check out the my JavaScript or TypeScript or Java video. I'll go through the solution. This is basically for me to learn Go language. So first I'm going to go with the map. Okay, I'm going to create a map. And how do I do that? I go here, maybe create a, I think there should be a pretty easy way to create a map. Alright, I'm going to use this var input nums map. I hope that makes sense. And this is pretty easy when you actually say make map and make it in integer. Integer is the one that they are using. So that's done. Alright, okay, that's the wrong one. Okay, that's done. I've already created an integer array, which I'm going to use to I'm going to use this to store I'm going to what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to get the difference using the target. So each time I'm going to run a loop, and from that loop I'm going to get the difference, and if the difference is there already in the input nums, I return the value. If it's not there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that current value. Let me show what I mean here. Okay, I'm going to create a go loop. Quickly going to create a loop here for I 0 I less than len nums I plus plus. Okay, I hope this is correct. I don't need a bracket like JavaScript. No. Okay, yeah, that's great. I think I'm correct there. Yes, loop. Yeah. Ta-da. Yes, it's correct. So here I'm going to get the current value, current number. Just like this. I'm going to assign this the nums I guess, and I'm going to get the difference target minus current number. So target minus means 2 minus 9, that is going to be 7. 7 is not actually there, but let me write a condition. If before that I need to get whether that key is already there in the array or not. So there's a way to get it. So value comma exist, whether that key is exist or not. I've already done this, so I just forgot how the actual this is done. So let me quickly go to my ChatGPT, and for the first I asked for chat Java. Is it? No, it is still Java. Yeah, like this. Oh, that's pretty simple. Okay, if input nums map difference is there already there. I'm just making sure I put this nums correct. Yes, everything's correct. But so if exist, if it does exist, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an array first. How do I create an array? To go through this array, I can create like this array. This is going to be the result array. Result array. Oh no, just put results, and I'm going to put nothing there. Yep. Int okay, I don't need to define anything else. I think I can close that. If exist, what I'm going to do is source will be equal to append results value comma I. That's what I'm going to do. Result, okay, and I'm going to return result at last. And for the map, it's pretty similar to Java's array or Java array. All you have to do is you have to get the key is going to be the current number. I have a spelling mistake there, let me correct it. Current number, and input nums map, the value would be the index. So if we run it, we'll get errors. Int type is not an expression. Go. Do you need space? No. Okay. How do you declare? How do you declare empty array? Empty array go. Empty slice. Divine. Okay, can have this run. Okay, that's not supposed to be 0. I always confused. There's an O. That's a literal O, which is I got the spelling mistake 2 times. Second time. This was. No, please don't be a spelling mistake. Result. Yes, don't be a spelling mistake, and there you go. Spelling mistake. Boom! I got everything correct. Let's just quickly submit it. I didn't time it, so I'll start the timer again. I have 100% runtime, and I have 7.13. Great.